Hi, this video I will show how to copy the application to your account and how to install the AppSheet applications to your phone. First, you have to go with your AppSheet account. You can go to appsheet.com and you can log in. There is called my account. Then you can to my account section, my app. Then uh, you can see the applications in this account. This is my data account, and this account has two deployed app, four deployed app, 22 prototypes app, and 10 co-authors app. And these sections I will explain what is the difference between these three sections. Deployed app mean if you are paid or something, like if you can pay versions, then we can app uh, we can convert app like a deployed app. Prototype app is not paid one. You can demonstrate the app, and this is the paid versions. This is the not paid versions. For that app means this app will be developed by someone else and shared to you view the applications or develop the applications. This person cash flow is developed by uh, me, and I have shared with another account. And firstly, you have to copy the application in your account. This is the shared application. This is the paid one. This is the not paid one. Firstly, you have to click this icon, and you can simply copy. And you can rename the application, and you have to maintain. You have to tick this one, and you can copy. It will take a few minutes, a few seconds, uh, to copy the entire applications to your account. Once it is completed, you can modify it and develop the application. Now my app has been copied. I will um, show how to in my app account. Once you go to the my app section, then you can see the now is a 23. Previously is a 21. Now it is copied to 23. This is my application. Once you click the application, then you can modify this application, and you can see the uh, Google Sheet by clicking the table and the master sheet and resource. Then then you can see the uh, database. This is the data you, and it is not recommended to change anything from this table, because if you change this table, it will be app will be broken. Okay, now we are moved to uh, mobile devices. Now I am in my Apple devices. Firstly, you have to install the AppSheet application. you can go to the App Store. You can search AppSheet. Now I'm already installed this application in my account, my mobile devices. If you want to work in with no, you can install the application by clicking the install button. Once you complete the application, you have to give the authorization authentications uh, to your Google account. Then you can go in your account, your Gmail account, in Gmail account. Now you can see there is email is received for the copy, and then you can click the install button and open. You can open. Now you can work with the application, and if you need to create the shortcut to this application, then you can uh, click the menu, then add short, and click this icon, and to go down and add to home. Then you can see the icon in your Apple devices. Once done, it will instantly open the applications. I think this is a very simple step, and you can follow the procedures. Then you can work it through the AppSheet application. Uh, if you need any information, please let me know.